Welcome to KettleiQ University, your free library of short, practical how-to videos for the KettleiQ platform. Whether you're brand new or just need a quick refresher, this channel shows you exactly how to get things done. There's a short video for almost every task, over 300 of them in English and Español. Each one covers a single job, start to finish, and most run under 2 minutes. So you watch only the one you need, right when you need it. Everything is organized by topic, so your area is easy to find. Production and brewing, sales and invoicing, CRM, purchasing, accounting, compliance, maintenance, and setup, each with its own playlist in both English and Español. Open the one that matches your job, and the clips are right there in order. Not sure where to begin? 3 simple steps. 1. Start with the overview to see the big picture. 2. Open the topic playlist for your area. 3. Or just search the channel for any task by name. Every clip covers one job, so the answer is never more than a search away. Subscribe so new how-tos come to you, and start with the overview on the channel home. And when you're ready to see the whole platform, visit KettleiQ.com.